have decided to build a bottom up. The whole time I had shelves in here, I always hated it because it would get dirty under there and you just really couldn't see it, and it just wasn't right in the bathroom to me to have something open like that. And I think it'll look a little bit more finished by the time I get it all caulked and painted and we get the trim on the front of it. The trim will cover that crack too, so well, no, it won't either. It'll be right at it. But we'll fix it. Never mind, I'm just talking. Don't worry about it. It ain't worth arguing over, dear. We've spent weeks with this just sitting here because we were in limbo. And we finally decided what we would do. I'm glad to get on with the bathroom because we want to get done what we can get done today. We're going to get all this done, except we don't have the flooring. And we can't really set the toilet till we have the flooring. Well, we could, but it just wouldn't be the right way to do it. So we have the carpet already ordered for the 3 bedrooms, so the pressure's on. Of course, they're waiting. They said that no hurry. But onward and upward. And my camera battery died. Yeah. Still learning. Still learning the camera. So funny. So, I've got to take a little edge off of this board. And Kevin is my weight. You need to set your butt on it. I'm telling you, this thing's going to take off. I haven't tried it. Ready? That should do it. Let's see. Does it fit now? Yes. Like a glove. I'm so talented with a sander. Those sanders from Harbor Freight, they can take the wood off. I'm telling you. Here's what I'm putting up. I'm so excited. Kevin has to help me. I guess we need to pre-cut it. Okay. Yeah. You got it. Is it level on the line? Ready? Okay. This is a peel. It's a removable, but I know it will stay up. And we are actually going to be putting some trim over the sides of it. just because of the way that we had to build it. That's what happened.
Right here. No. Right here, yeah. Let's pull it together.
It's gonna be too sticky. Maybe we should just do that half right now. Can I help at all? No? He's real good at this kind of stuff because he used to put vinyl letters on people's windows and on big signs, and it's a lot like doing vinyl lettering. Oh, did the nails just spill? Yep. Get some caulking going. Fancy. We have to figure out our exterior trim. We're gonna have to do a long rip on something. We don't really have a good table saw, so we gotta find something that will work. We'll find it though. This has been an all-day deal.